and welcome to today's Speaky Card reading. Today's topic is how do men view you? For that, as usual, we have three piles. Pile number one, pile number two, and pile number three. Guys, if you like my content, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment. Now let's get started. You could also join my channel. Hello, pile one. Let's see how do men view you. Okay. So the first one is Ram, a stubborn, aggressive person. I'm saying you are being seen as somebody who cannot be controlled by others, maybe in a shadow side. Some men might actually see you as stubborn, but you are very much your own person. First of all, a lot of you could be Aries, Sagittarius, Leo. Also, the mountain goat, that is Capricorn, somebody who is a doer, somebody who is very action oriented, whose sense of purpose in life is very fixed. You are a person who is known for being you cannot be dictated by others. That's how men view you, and men tend to be a little intimidated by you as well. Great happiness. I hope it's visible, guys. Right. You are a person who has a lot of very happy disposition about you. You're a very happy person. Somebody who has a lot of happy disposition about them. All right. Dark woman, dealings or relationship with a woman with dark complexion or hair. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you, probably, I'm saying ethnically, could be maybe you stand out in your locality or at your university, at your place of work, everywhere, school, where you go, where you mingle. A lot of you could be having Asian and Southeast Asian ethnicity. Given typically, I'm seeing a darker complexion, oliver complexion, darker hair, darker eye color, and something that makes you ethnically also very stand apart in the crowd very effortlessly. And men notice that about you, and that makes you very attractive, very exotic as well. Major challenge to overcome. Yeah, two things here. You are not a easy target. You cannot be achieved easily. You are very difficult to attain. First of all, that. Secondly, you have had a pretty difficult life. Nothing came easy to you. You guys have had things really difficult in your life. Your life has been like, it's been a very uphill task. You had to do a lot of things to reach wherever you have. You had to literally sacrifice so much to reach wherever. A lot of you are first generation or second generation, like your parents might have migrated to the country, or you could be the first person who have come to this a new country and have settled, where you're ethnically, you tend to stand out. A lot of things are different, totally unlike your mother country, your original ways of living, but you guys have really done a great job in adjusting. Keep your life in balance. You are a very balanced, very reliable, very dependable. I'm seeing a very fair and square kind of a person. A lot of you could be related to the law in some way or the other. Librans, I can see some of you could be Librans or the air sign. So fire and air signs like Aquarius, Libra, Gemini could be a very good speaker. Okay, next. An emotionally secure, loving family is important. You are also very family oriented. A lot of you probably didn't have a very secure, loving nest growing up, which you missed growing up, and today you really wish to have one. Short journey. A lot of you, I'm seeing you guys have to like make a lot of to and fro journey. A lot of you, due to your work, you have to travel back and forth for work, for other purposes. You tend to travel a lot. That's how men view you, that this is a person who tend to, like, weekends they are not at home, or even weekdays they are just not at home. They are traveling, they are doing their own stuff. Both money and property through an inheritance, winning or windfall. literally you are a person who have literally, it could be an inheritance, lottery winning, who knows. Just a few of us maybe are that lucky, but what I'm hearing is men view you as somebody who is coming from a higher status, somebody who is coming from an abundant family background. That's how you are being seen. Yeah, you are being seen as the main heroine of your life. You are the main princess of your life. You tend to intimidate a lot of men for sure. All right, guys. Up until now, if you like my content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. That tells the algorithm that this is important info and they tend to spread it more often. That helps spreading my message. All right, moving on. Journey. Exactly. Your life has been such a journey. A lot of you literally had to get scholarship to come to this country, or you had to work, save up in order to put yourself through university. Like, you guys have struggled a lot. You guys never gave up. You have struggled and struggled to, but never giving up. You guys have done whatever it took in order to reach the position. Yes, confirmation courtroom. A lot of you are related to the law, legal, paralegal, law enforcement, like civil servants, police, armed forces, also activists. You know what men see you as somebody who is very righteous, somebody who is not going to take nonsense, even if it's like meted out to someone else. You have the backbone to stand up and say, you know what, enough is enough, this is it, I'm not gonna tolerate it. You are one of those people. Great fortune. Yeah, men literally feel that you have been very fortunate in your life. Men literally, I'm seeing, mostly feeling that way, that this is a very fortunate person, somebody who has really done well for themselves. Occupation. You are a person, you are someone who is very, like, I'm seeing occupation as like you are a person who has worked very hard. I'm seeing a lot of labor and toiling to reach where you have today. A lot of you probably use your hands more often in your occupation. It could be painting, writing, um, anything where you, a surgeon, where you have to use your hands more often, a craft, an artist. Six of Swords, you are a person, literally, what I'm hearing. You guys are people with this title who never gave up on life, no matter what happened. You guys kept on pushing ahead, one step at a time. I'm gonna go ahead in life. You are a person who never gave up on themselves. That's how men view you. You do not, when life gets tough, tough gets going. You are being seen as a tough cookie. Seven of Wands, a very courageous, determined person, very driven, determined, very focused, very reliable, that kind of a person. You have literally turned the wheels of fortune in your favor. You guys have literally turned, you know what? You have turned the wheels of destiny into your wheels of fortune. You have literally managed to turn your life around. You are a very balanced person, very reliable, balanced, dependable kind of a person you are. All right. Three of Cups. You are, you know what I'm seeing? You are being seen as a very visible person, someone who genuinely tend to enjoy their life. You guys are going through a good phase in your life. Somebody who has worked their way up to this position, someone who has literally, you have enjoyed your life. That's what I'm seeing. You are a person who is literally, at last, you're enjoying your life. You are a person, you know, you tend to, a lot of you have hit some major milestones, and like, you are very visible, you're shining brightly in a party, in a social gathering. You become very, very visible. It's also because you probably, some of you, as I said, ethnically or otherwise, tend to stand out. Somehow you tend to very physically, Looks wise, you guys are glowing. You guys have had a recent glow up which is making you stand out. Men also see you as a very desirable candidate. Leos can be significant, very desirable, very raring to go, very, strong. You are a person whom they also tend to mostly look up to. A lot of them also feel that you are way above their leagues. Yeah, absolutely. A lot of you are at a very high position which you have acquired, or men view you as somebody who is at a very high position, or they feel that you are going to reach this position with the kind of hard work, passion and determination that you put in your work. So that is something that can be seen, that this is a person who is going to go really high up in life. You are being seen as a very good arm candy as well, very good arm candy, very men literally want to take you out. A lot of men tend to hit on you, and they respect you a lot because where you're coming from and how far you have done in life, that shows a lot of respect in others. Seven of Pentacles, you are a person who is very reliable, stable, dependable. I'm seeing you as a person who is very, very reliable, someone who knows what their worth is, someone who is very, very genuine, someone who is, you are somebody who knows exactly what their worth is, and you are somebody who, you appreciate everything that you have. A lot of people tend to whine, cry, complain, but you have achieved everything that you have today, so you appreciate your life more than crying and complaining. You are not a crybaby, you are a self-made person. That's how men see you. Very balanced, reliable. No matter what life throws at me, I'm gonna push through all the hurdles in life, kind of an attitude. Page of Swords, all right. Very, very swift, very active, raring to go. Curiosity is a type of magic. First of all, you are being seen as a very curious person. Somebody, a lot of you guys are very high IQ people who got scholarship. A lot of you came from a developing country to a developed country, mainly US and European nations, because you have been a great student, got an easy scholarship, but you had to put yourself through university and high school with your own efforts. That's something I can see. Your presence is being seen as very magical as well. Two of Wands, your decisions decide your future here, nothing else. Literally, you've put in a lot of hard work and passion and determination to reach where you have today. I'm seeing you guys burning a lot of midnight oil to reach wherever you have today. Yeah, a lot of procrastination, though, I can see as well. A lot of self imposed limitations, procrastination, imposter syndrome, loads of like, maybe I'm not good enough. Like, you have a lot of ambition, but at the same time, having a lot of procrastination. That's how men view you, that this person is going to go really big, but I wish they were a little less like overthinking type. You are a little bit of an overthinker, but that is something I'm seeing that is going away though. But that's how men view you. All right. Five of Pentacles, nothing is ever as hopeless as it seems. Literally, I'm seeing for most of you, you guys are living a life where once you felt like giving up, nothing is gonna go ever in my favor. From there, you guys are living your dream life. Peacock, let yourself stand out and be noticed. Literally, you guys are standing out in the crowd. You are being noticed. You tend to get noticed by men very easily. You tend to stand out very easily. Tiger, you are being called upon to provide leadership. So trust that you are capable of doing so. Literally, men see you as a natural leader. Men really appreciate you for your leadership qualities that you bring on table. All right. take charge with authority. Yeah, you are being seen as somebody who is very authoritative, very controlling, very dominating. As I said, men see you, men tend to get intimidated by you. You tend to also shroud yourself in this in this whole wrapper of mystery. Spider, what a wild web we weave, dear child, a delicious mystery untamed. You are being seen as a very mysterious person. A lot of Scorpios, strong Pluto positions can be seen. All right, don't deem to fit in. You are very much your own person. You do not care about fitting in any circumstances. Storm, every hurricane comes to an end. Literally, you are a person who has seen it all in life. So you have seen after the hurricane settles, life goes back to normalcy. You are that way. Expectations, do not seek anyone's approval. Literally, you are a person who is very, very, you are very much your own person. You do not seek other people's approval for being a certain way. Library, take control of your narrative. You are a person who is very, you are somebody who cannot be controlled by others. You are a person who cannot be controlled and being like pulled in different directions by others. That is something I can see, that you are someone who is very much their own person. All right, now time for the guided messages. Okay. If you're not going ahead, you are falling back. This is how men view you, that this is a person who is always raring to go ahead in life. Our love is like the wind. I cannot see it, but I can feel it. I'm seeing you have a lot of admirers who are very silent, who are looking. I'm seeing who are literally lurking in the corner and looking at you from there. I'm happiest when I'm right next to you. You could be having a colleague or a friend who has a crush on you for sure. I am so glad you came into the world. I'm even more glad that you came into my world. So I'm seeing a lot of you guys are friends who are crushing on you, who are deeply in love with you. They're willing to embrace you just the way you are. Together with you is my favorite place to be. All right. So I'm seeing a lot of cozy, cuddly situations. So a lot of you guys are, if you are in like in a relationship, or if you like somebody, this could be your situation, or maybe a lot of men actually see you this way. I know I am in love with you because my reality is finally better than my dreams. Literally, somebody is dreaming about you, dear. Change is the only constant in life, and I am not afraid to embrace it. Literally, you are somebody who is not afraid to embrace anything, any kind of change in life. You embody a lot of king and queen qualities: confidence, strength, capability, toughness. Literally, you tend to embody all of this. That's how men view you, at least. Doesn't matter what others say, all that matters is my own belief. Yeah, you have very strong faith in your own belief system, in your own abilities. Success is the sum total of all the apparently trivial efforts, sorry, you put in and day out. Literally, you guys tend to put in a lot of trivial efforts every day. That makes you who you are. It's the conditioning that matters. You have been a very strong individual. I'm a really ambitious soul who knows what they are here to do. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person who is very, very ambitious, gray eyes. You are somebody who is Literally, a lot of you could be having gray or darker eyes, or eyes which tend to stand out in the crowd that you mingle with. All right, guys, I hope you've got some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 2. Let's see, how do men view you? Excitement. Your company is very exciting. You are like this firecracker. You tend to, no, literally you can inject, your energy is infectious, and you can inject a lot of infectious enthusiasm in others. And men also tend to feel like an attraction of the moth towards the flame. Literally, they want to be with you, they want to be around you. It's like, they have never felt this kind of, almost like, I shouldn't say it, but like attraction which they have never felt. This kind of attraction they have never felt towards anyone else. That's how men feel about you. That's how men view you. Bull. Do not back down from opposition. Show strength and fortitude. Literally, I'm seeing you as somebody who is, a lot of you could be Taurus, a lot of you could be Virgo, Capricorn, somebody who is not willing to back down from opposition, who is willing to face everything that comes their way and move ahead in life. You are somebody who is really raring to go full throttle. Bridge. Successfully overcoming a problem. You are a person who is, uh, you are somebody who is really, really, uh, I'm seeing you are somebody who has overcome a lot of problems in life. That's how men see you. Somebody who has overcome a lot of problem in life, and somebody who has learned a lot from, from their perspective, from their life, and has applied it. Somebody who has gotten more wiser in life. Younger woman, dealings or relationship with a younger woman. Typically, I'm seeing like men view you, like you tend to look a lot younger. Like I'm seeing people tend to be a little surprised when you say, tell them your age. I'm seeing a lot of you have very unusually very youthful looks. That's something. That's how men view you, a very youngish looking person. You are on the road to success. Men also view you. You know what? You have struggled, but you are also being seen as a very hardworking person, very determined, someone who does not give up easily, someone who cannot be deterred from achieving their goals easily. Carriage, a journey either physical or mental. Literally, you are a person who is very, like, your life has been a journey filled with ups and downs, filled with potholes and rocks and pebbles, but you guys never gave up. It's been a rocky mountain. A lot of you could be Capricorn, a sea goat, and I'm seeing you have done a great job. That's how men view you. Getting together with friends. Men view you as a very loyal friend. A lot of you could be dog lovers, but what I'm seeing is men mostly view you as a very loyal friend, somebody whom they can rely on. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. You will be shown the way. Literally, you always knew your sense of purpose. You always had that sense of purpose about you. Even as a kid, you knew exactly how far you want to go in life, where you want to be at in life. Those things you are very clear about. Also, men also feel that you are a very divinely guided soul. Mostly men feel that way. Forces working against you. You are a person who is, literally, you are somebody who had a lot of forces acting against you. Like, men realize that a lot of people are jealous of who you are, how far you have come. Privileged lady. I'm seeing a lot of privileges that are coming your way. Like men see you as somebody, you are a very old fashioned, you have very old fashioned classic styles about you. It's the way in which you dress that shows very old money type dress up, very classy old money type, very compassionate, someone whom they would love to be associated with, someone who is you are a valuable member of your community. That's how I can see you, that's how men see you. I'm saying, yeah, a lot of this old fashioned messaging, I'm saying, like, you are being seen as somebody who is a little old school. Men see you as a very old school. Like, if they have to get together, it has to be a long courtship, dinners, dates, chocolates, and that all such stuff. Like, you are not an easily, like, you're not easy to find, you're not easy to acquire as an individual. High honor, you have a very high honorary position in life. You are a person who is very, you have a very highly honorable position in your life. You guys have reached that position with your own hard work. You didn't have any grandfather, you didn't have anyone else over your head. Yeah, a lot of them would love to date you. Courtship, literally, but a very old fashioned courtship. I'm seeing, like, all the long walks, dinners, chocolates, those phases have to be there. They realize that you are not very easily achievable. Men view you as a precious gift. Yeah, you're not very easily available. See, so men see you as a very, very precious gift. Queen of Wands. Replace your self doubt with self confidence. You are a person who has really managed to, you have changed yourself from something. You are a person who is, like, who was completely different from the one that you are today. You have changed yourself. There is a lot of, I'm seeing a lot of upgradation in every way. The way in which you look, the way in which you dress, lot of you have, like, your body structure, shape has also changed. Like, there is a complete transformation in the way in which you look, in physical aspects, financial aspect, the people you rub shoulders with, everything, there is an upgradation. And men are flabbergasted. Like, hard work can literally give you so much success. That's the bottom line I'm hearing. Nine of Wands, it would take a hell of a lot more to defeat you. Men literally see you as indefeatable, somebody who has struggled a lot, but somebody who doesn't give in easily, somebody who would hunker down and double down and work harder should they face any kind of discouragement or failure in life. Men see you as such. Yeah, you guys have worked, you, a lot of you have turned your hobbies into your businesses, which you have managed to do because you have worked very, very hard, very passionate. Right. Six of Cups, give yourself the compassion you were never given. You know what? You are being seen as somebody who genuinely tend to prioritize self-love and self-compassion. Men view you as somebody who is not just compassionate towards others, towards that street cat, towards animals, towards other people, but also your self talk is very, very positive, very respectable, by the way. Knight of Pentacles, surely, but slowly, but surely, you're going places. This is exactly how men view you. That this is a person who is like the tortoise. Every day that they get up and put in the work that they needed to do, whether they face failure or success, doesn't really matter. They do the work that they were supposed to be doing. That is something that tend to set you apart from others for sure. I'm seeing you, like, are being viewed as somebody who is slowly but surely you're reaching your success. Yes, light a fire underneath your cauldron and go, go, go. Literally, men see you as somebody in the face of severe impediments, you can keep on pushing towards your goal. You are one of the go getters in life, somebody who probably started nowhere and slowly you guys have built your levels up. That is something I can see. Right, Page of Cups. Let yourself be continually surprised by this thing called life. You are somebody who tend to genuinely live life, believe in living life on your own terms. Literally, I'm seeing you as someone who believes in embracing life just the way it is, embracing life in every form and manner. You are being seen as somebody who knows exactly what their own self of worth, sense of self worth is very important and significant in your case. Toxic witches, be cautious of those who take more than they give. Literally, men also see you as somebody who is a very good judge of human character because you have been through a lot of betrayal. So you have learned, your life has taught you to be a great judge of human character. You are also, I'm seeing you guys are shining brightly. A lot of you guys are hitting some major milestones in your life, and that is making you very visible. Somebody who is up and going in their life, somebody who is on a mission in their life. That's how you're being seen by men. Men also view you as a very strong person. See, you are a person who can literally take on anything. You have seen a lot in life, so you are not afraid to face life whichever way it comes. That is something I can see. The Fool card, typically you are the person who is very much an out of the box thinker. You are being seen as somebody who is a risk taker, an out of the box thinker. You fail, but you never give up. No matter what, you never give up. You're being seen also as a very ambitious, determined, someone very driven towards their focus and goals in life. All right. Yeah, you're also men view as somebody who is very calculating. See, this guy has all its ammunitions, but he is still hiding behind this whole tree and all because he knows that with three people, with all his ammunitions, he might not win. So he's waiting for his chances. He's calculating. For you, your life is like a chess game. So you look at life like a chess game, like someone you need to, like, it's something that you need to calculate every step in. You're being seen as a little calculating, somebody who has really calculated and worked their way up. You get hit on right, left, right, center. You are being seen as somebody who's a very attractive, very flirtatious. A lot of you could be a Gemini, uh, more than Scorpio, Gemini, Sagittarius, Leo, very flirtatious, getting hit on, very visible. Yeah, Queen of Swords, you are very sharp tongued. A lot of you are being seen as sharp witted, sharp tongued, intelligent, and people try not to mess with you, dare not to mess with you because they know if they mess with you, you're not gonna let them be. That is something that I can see in you, and men really love that. Men really, really like it about you. The Emperor card, you are being seen as someone who is very wise, wise way beyond their age, someone who is wise, dependable, reliable. Those are the compliments I can see in their case. Nine of Pentacles, you are a person, you're being seen as a person who is very, you know, you are all of your wishes have been granted. You are a person who've manifested, you've managed to manifest a lot of good things in life. You are a person who you've manifested a good life for yourself in general. Yeah. All right. Men also view you as a perfect life partner, someone who is very reliable, stable, dependable, also very empathetic and caring, someone who is like a perfect life partner. Men see you as such. Transform and unveil your great gifts. A lot of you have literally managed to transform yourself. People from your past can no longer recognize you. A lot of you have gone through so much transformation, and men really notice that about you. Take time to breathe out. You guys work so hard that you don't even take time to breathe out. Like, you work non-stop, incessantly. You guys work. Be fearless and stand strong. Men really find you, this part about you, very very attractive, that you are a very warrior like, strong, reliable, dependable kind of an individual. Stand your own ground. You know how to stand your ground. You know how to put forth your opinions. You are a very opinionated individual, at the same time somebody who knows exactly what they need to, like what they expect out of their life, what they deserve, and how they're gonna make it work. Be bold and make the first move. Literally, you are being seen by, viewed by men as somebody who's very bold, who's very reliable, very bold, very dependable, someone who knows exactly what their worth is. Falcon, act on the opportunity that's before you and commit to it without equivocation. Literally, men see you as somebody, maybe some see you as an opportunistic person, but basically, you're being seen as someone who can spot the opportunities even in adversity. You know, once you spot an opportunity, you are a very disciplined, dedicated person. If you have a goal in mind, you know how to like achieve it. You're one of those people who knows like how to eat an elephant one spoonful at a time. Very methodical, regimented. Luck is on your side. You know, a lot of them also view you as very lucky, somebody who has really gone ahead because you've had a lot of good luck. Prosperity lies ahead. You're being seen as a very prosperous person. New moon in Taurus. Taurus can be significant for a lot of you. You are being seen as a very prosperous person. Make the change. I'm seeing a lot of you guys have really transformed. And literally, repeatedly, I'm getting makeover kind of messages. So, men, literally, you know, moment you change, especially positively, your the way in which you're being perceived by others changes. People also try to or tend to put you up on a pedestal. That is happening with you as well. Princess, you can be your own knight. Literally, I'm seeing you guys are being seen as people who does not need a knight on shining armor. You can be your own princess who can save themselves. Justice is coming. Literally, you are being seen as a very fair, just kind of a person. Fair, very reliable, someone who tend to stand up for others. Don't be afraid to sing. Men also view you as someone you are very much your own person, and you're not scared, you're not intimidated easily. All right, time for the guided messages. How do men view you? All right, the first one that is coming up is strong build. A lot of you could be pretty athletic in build. All right. You light up my heart. I love you. Every little thing you do, I do adore. I'm seeing a lot of them, they adore you. You literally, there is this matchstick, a lot of excitement, a lot of fire. In chemistry is very strong, very wild chemistry, if you know what I mean. The water shines only by the sun, and it is you who are my sun. I'm seriously seeing you guys are shining brightly. You are being seen as that bright, shining star by a lot of men. All right, a lot of them having crushes on you. You know, it's true. Everything I do it for you. You have a lot of very like well wishing, like somebody, some people, some men who really adore you for who you are. They are not just here romantically, even otherwise. You are the source of my joy, the center of my world, and the whole of my heart. Literally, you are this way. Like, I'm seeing a lot of men making you the source of their joy. I'm much more me when I am with you. Literally, this is something I can see, that you are somebody who, like people, a lot of them, they just want to be around you. You are being seen as very forthright, upright, and graceful. Right. Glamorous. You are also being seen as a very glamorous person. Self worth and self respect. You are a person who is very, like, your sense of self worth is very on point. You're a very self respecting person. That's how men view you as well. I have complete faith in my capabilities. It doesn't matter what you think about me. Literally, you are being seen as a very capable person. You have disappointed me. You have let me down, but I haven't let you break my spirit. It's the spirit that keeps my dreams alive. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you guys are being seen as a very high spirited person. All right, guys, I hope you've got some clarity of your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 3. Let's see, how do men view you? Unicorn. Use your intuition to make beneficial changes. You are a person who has literally managed, like, men view you as a unicorn, a rare person, somebody who is also very intuitive. You have used your intuition to change your life. You are being seen as somebody who has really changed their life using their own intuition. That's how you are being viewed by men. Dog far away, a distant friend is thinking of you. You know what? You are being seen, viewed by men as, first of all, a very loyal friend. A lot of men probably also view you a little distant, like they can't really have you. They get to know about you, but you seem a little unattainable to a lot of them. But you are also being perceived as a very loyal, very reliable, loyal person. Victory in some endeavor. You're being seen as a very victorious person, someone who has turned out to be victorious in life, someone who has really done something awesome for their own self. Spiritual love. I'm seeing you are being seen as somebody who is very spiritual in nature. Men view you as somebody who is very spiritual, who is very spiritual, generous, compassionate. Intuition is usually on point. Great personal sorrow. You have faced a lot of, you have to shed a lot of tears in life because of certain personal sorrows, but that have transformed you. Men see you as this beautiful butterfly who have faced a lot of tragedy in life to transform for better, a change for better. But you have really used it to transform yourself into the most upgraded version. You're being very highly thought of. Men literally look up to you, think very highly of you. You know, you get a lot of romantic, I'm seeing a lot of them having romantic interest. Are they really thinking really very highly of you? Also, a lot of them really thinking, like, you know, you're way beyond them, way above their league, so they can probably never have you, but they look up to you from afar. They also see you as somebody who is very family oriented. For you are someone for whom family tend to matter, tend to make a huge difference. In need of help, assistance, and guidance, and you know, you are a person who is very compassionate, someone who has been through a lot of personal sorrow and have transformed their lives. But you haven't forgotten where you were at once upon a time. You tend to extend your cup of empathy to those who are struggling in life, stepping into a new experience. You are a person who has literally, for you, life is a complete bag of mixed mixed bag situation. You are not afraid to face new things in life because you've been through a lot in life. You will receive a gift. I'm seeing some of them want to really gift you something, maybe offer you their love, offer you their heart. Some might want to gift you a ring, so that could also be coming your way. If you're seeing somebody, something can be cemented. That is something I can see. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment. Mature woman, you're being seen as a very mature individual, someone who went through a lot of hardships in life and have become very mature, reliable, dependable. You have toiled, you have labored, you have worked very hard in life to reach where you have today. And men really appreciate that. Men realize that this is a person whom like nothing came easy in life, and that has made you way more mature. You have been through that phase where you had to worry financially, especially. You had to worry a lot. You value family so much. A lot of you have not seen so much of family growing up, and that's why probably a lot of you value your family. You have been through a lot in life and have come out as a winner. Community, literally, you are being seen, men and women alike, they see you as a treasure, as a gift to your community. You tend to contribute a lot to your community, to the family, to the extended family. You're being seen as somebody who is that treasure. Literally, men view you. I'm seeing a lot of you guys are probably shifting to a new place, having an upgradation in your life, or for you, family and house, those things tend to matter a lot. Stability matters so much. That's how you're being seen. A very down to earth, grounded person, very wise, way beyond your age. Men view you as a wise, way beyond their age person. The hermit, you are a very isolated soul, somebody who is very isolated, someone who is very someone who knows exactly how far they have come in life, but you are no longer a gregarious person. I'm seeing some of you probably suffer from some trust issues, or you just prefer your own company, more introspective, intelligent, more introverted kind of a personality. That's how I can see you. Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer, Taurus, Virgo. Yeah, life has been very difficult. There was a time when you literally felt like giving up. Nothing seemed to be moving the compass even a little bit. So you literally felt like giving up. The death card, nothing was moving in the like nothing from here, nothing was moving in the direction that you wanted them to move to. I'm seeing a redirection coming, a complete destruction. A lot of you face some tower moments where you literally felt being backstabbed, some personal sorrow that is being repeated. Like, you know what, you have been through so much at a certain point that still they tend to come back as nightmares, and men realize that this is a person of great depth and integrity. The world card, you guys have transformed your world. You guys have managed to transform your whole world, whole life. That is something. Financial pinch, you are someone who has really managed to, literally financially, you guys have really seen so much and have turned your life around, and that has made you a very wise person. I'm seeing a lot of you guys, people can't even make out how good you are. I'm seeing a lot of you guys are mostly doing pretty well now, but people just seeing you from surface, they can't make out how well you're doing because you're not a flashy person. People literally respect you, the integrity, the wisdom that you bring on table. Men also view you as somebody who would make a perfect life partner, somebody who is empathetic, who's there's a balance in you between you know spirituality and pragmatism. Men also view you as somebody who is very very charitable, very donating, very charities, donation. These are the things that comes naturally to you. The Hierophant, you are a person, you are a person who is very giving, and I'm seeing a lot of people coming to you for life experiences, a lot of people coming to you for, you know you are being seen as someone who is very wise, philosophical. A lot of you could be spiritual teachers, public speakers, counselors, therapists, teachers of some sort, doctors, someone from the medical profession, also could be into astrology, tarot, because men literally coming to you, like people coming to you for life's lessons is something I can see. It's okay to cry. You are a very strong person who is not afraid to show their vulnerability to the external world. That's how men view you as very strong individual. Strength. It takes get strength to be soft. You are a person who is very, very strong, but at the same time, you are being seen as a very soft person, a softy and a strong person, softy and strong both. Like you are someone who is very strong with when it's needed, but you are basically a softy otherwise. Very compassionate, very empathetic, because you've been there. Very non-judgmental, non-picky as a person. Four of Cups, literally, you're a very non-picky in this thing. Life maybe have taken away a lot from you, but it has given you way more than you could have ever thought of. Literally, you're a very non-picky kind of a non-judgmental person. High Priestess, when in doubt, your first gut feeling can always be trusted. Literally, your intuition. A lot of you are spiritual healers and teachers, I'm hearing. Like, moment you enter the room, I'm seeing you tend to attract a lot of disturbed souls, because you are like that ray of hope to a lot of them. Literally, your success story is the survival guide for them. You are like that lighthouse of hope in this sea of darkness. And yeah, people have a lot of faith in you. Men, really, I'm seeing a lot of them literally looking up to you, trying to be like you. You seem very unreachable. The Moon card, taking time for deep self reflection is essential. You are a very self reflecting soul. You are being seen as a very self reflecting individual. Ten of Pentacles. Having it all looks different to everyone. You are a person who is very, like, I'm seeing you are a person who is very, like, very different, very unpredictable, very reliable. You are a person who knows exactly what your worth is, someone who doesn't need others to define them as well. This is something like men literally see you as somebody who is totally out of the normal, predictable textbook case. You are someone who could probably just celebrate your birthday with the orphans, with the old age home people. That's how I can see. Four of Wands. Family is whoever makes you feel the most safe and comfortable being you. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you have struggled with not having, probably your parents were not there. Probably you lost your parents, at least one of your parents earlier. Maybe they were just absent, working. You had to grow up very fast. So now you value family really well. You tend to give, you are that person whom people can reach out to at 3 a.m. in the morning in case of some emergency. Literally, Two of Cups. Some people are like pumpkin to your spice. Literally, men find you to be very endearing. Like, I wish we could be with them. That is something I can see. Take time to reflect. You are a very self reflecting person, very self reflecting. Self reflection is key. Aquarius is significant. Bring love into the situation. You are a person who tend to love what they do, and that shows, that shines through, and people really appreciate that. You are also a very elevated, awakened individual spiritually and otherwise she wolf, unleash the wild within. You are being seen as somebody who is very, you are not, excuse me, sorry, you are not somebody who is very gregarious, but and you don't mess with others until someone else chooses to mess with you. You can literally rip them apart. So you tend to intimidate with your silent attitude. You can intimidate a lot of people. Capricorn, end of a tough cycle approaches. You have been through a lot in life and you have come out on your own, and that is something that shows, that shines through. A time for healing. Healing is a must. I'm seeing you guys have managed to heal yourself from your past trauma. Meditate and contemplate new moon in Pisces. Pisces can be significant for a lot of you. Meditation and life in quiet contemplation is something that you really want to have. Like, this is a life that you want, like a life in quiet contemplation. Healer. A lot of you guys are actually healers. Excuse me. You guys have a very healing presence about you. Penguin. The period of darkness that you have been experiencing is now passing. I'm seeing penguin. Literally, you have been through so much, and that has really taught you to be more resilient. Men view you as somebody who is a very resilient lot, somebody who doesn't give up easily, someone who has learned through their dark phases. Be brave and honest. In the face, you have the guts to be brave and stay honest to your purpose, even in the face of severe uncertainty that life has thrown at you. And men really respect that. Endings are inevitable. A very, very mature individual, someone who had to let go of a lot of things to reach where they have today. I'm always enough. Do not doubt your worth. I am seeing you as a person. You are being seen as a person who is very self assured. You can manifest your every wish. Men also feel that you are a great manifester. You can always rewrite your story. You guys have literally rewritten your story. Okay, time for the guided messages. Respect is something that I value, and I value and the value that I bring on table. You are being seen as a very valuable person, someone who is also very respected. You are my sweetie. I need not elaborate on this. All right. Some people search their whole lives to find what I found in you. I'm seeing a lot of men, a lot of people in general see you as their soulmates. I was born to fight. I do not believe in giving up. You can do anything to stop me, but you won't be able to. That has been your mantra, and that's how, as a fighter, men view you as a fighter. Meditation for you is a way of life. It's for you. I'm seeing like people around you, they really respect you, the value, for the value that you're bringing in on table. Good, bad, ugly, I have seen it all, and I want to protect you from the big bad world. Literally, you're being seen as someone who is to be protected from the big bad world. You fill up my senses, you make me want to become a better person. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you are literally, you are like motivating. Men see you, men literally put you up on a pedestal. The most important thing that we all want in life is on the other side of the fear. You are being seen as a very fearless individual. Okay, networking. So I'm seeing some of you, though probably most of you aren't networking type people, but some of you might be into this as well. You are such a worthy human being. Men see you as a very worthy human being. Also, you're probably a good speaker if you choose to speak. Entrepreneurial and activism. You are an activist type, very hardworking activist kind of a person. That's how men view you. All right, guys, I hope you've got some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste.